GVM Pro 400B Review. This 400-watt beast might just make your $2,000 light look dumb. Ever fumbled a shoot cause your pro light was either flickering, overheating, or just plain underwhelming? Yeah, we've been there, one eye on the LCD and one praying your gear doesn't crash mid-take. That nasty combo of weak output, clunky controls, and loud-as-a-lawnmower fans has ruined enough golden hour magic to make a grown cinematographer cry. You're not lazy. You're just tired of dragging unreliable, overhyped junk into your sets. We feel you. And that's why this video, and the GVM Pro 400B, might be your new religion. Let's talk truth. Missing the shot isn't just a tech problem, it's your rep, your deadline, your sanity. Overheating lights? Unbearable. Bad color fidelity? A one-way ticket to color grading hell. And don't even get us started on gear that says it's pro but performs like a birthday party flashlight. That creeping dread when your gear chokes again during a critical take? Yeah, it's costing you jobs, clients, and your creative soul. It's time to stop suffering through bad lighting like it's a rite of passage. Enter the GVM Pro 400B. A 400-watt COB-powered lighting beast that actually lives up to the hype. With app control, whisper-quiet fans, a legit Bowens mount, and cinematic level CRI 97 plus accuracy, this light does exactly what you beg your other gear to do, without excuses. It's rain-resistant, handles up to 10 hours of consistent output, and includes 12 pro-level lighting scene effects. It's like having a gaffer, console operator, and lighting engineer baked into one silent, unstoppable light cannon. Plug it in, dial in your magic, and go dominate that frame. The GVM Pro 400B isn't just about raw power, it's about control, flexibility, and peace of mind. Say goodbye to constant recalibrations and hello to buttery smooth dimming, sunlight accurate color temps, 2700K to 6800K, and quiet operation that won't wreck your audio. Whether you're shooting indie films, YouTube videos, or high-stakes client ads, this light has your back. Curious to see it in action? Hit play, and let's walk through how this unit slays more expensive rigs on set. And yes, you can actually afford this. Don't wait for your next lighting fail to make a change. Thousands of creators have already leveled up with GVM's Pro 400B, and stock is flying faster than unpaid interns on Wrap Day. Rainproof. Crazy bright. Silently powerful. And it won't cost you your firstborn. This light is your shot at never sweating the technicals again. So what's it gonna be? Another reshoot, or the gear that finally shows up for you? Smash that link, drop your doubts, and grab the Pro 400B while it's still on the shelf. Your best footage is waiting.